All right, let's verify that this is a solution, the particular solution, to this diffie q with initial conditions. First then, does it satisfy the initial conditions? Is y of 0 equal to 4? When we substitute 0 in for x, y is equal to 4e to the 0 power, which is 4. All right, it satisfies the initial condition. Next, does it solve this diffie q? In other words, if this was y, would y prime be equal to negative 12xy? Let's figure it out. So the derivative of this y value is it equal to negative 12xy. So the derivative of this function with respect to x is 4 times e to the negative 6x squared times negative 12x. Or in other words, negative 48x e to the negative 6x squared. Is that equal to negative 12xy? Well, we could factor this, but it's probably easier to see in the previous step. This product is equal to y. So we have this times y. So we have therefore verified that this is a general solution to this diffie q because its derivative is equal to that derivative. Y prime of this is equal to negative 12xy. And this satisfies these initial conditions. Therefore, this is the particular solution to this diffie q with initial condition.